back to my channel. So my brother-in-law, AK Tech, got me this as a present. It is the new second generation Siri remote. And it's compatible with my 4K Apple TV. And we're just gonna unbox it today. This is the old one, the first gen Siri remote, which is from 2015. This is 2021. Okay, it shows you where to open it from. It's from the bottom, not from the top. It's got a green arrow, which makes it easier because it's usually complicated to open up these things. They give you a latch to pull it out, which is nice. And it's just like opening up a new iPhone with this cool case. Comes with a charging cable too, which is awesome. Just a lightning charging cable. A little manual. Siri remote. That's cool. As you can see, Apple products, they always put a lot of effort into them. Oh, okay, here we go. There's nothing else in here. Okay. So it's chunkier. You can see the trackpad from the old one is out. I just pressed the power button and it's telling me it's pairing with the new remote. Bring it closer to your Apple TV to continue pairing. Okay. I think it's picked it up now. Remote connected. Awesome. Okay, so you can see that the trackpad is now replaced with the D-pad with the buttons, and I can scroll like that. I can go left and right, I can go up and down. Now the annoying thing is gone from the last one, which was the trackpad with the clicking, because it only had like one button. This one has 4 buttons, up and down. It's got the middle button as well that you can press and choose. Now they've replaced the menu button with a back arrow, which makes sense because you're actually going back one step when you press the menu button. They've added a power button, which also turns off the TV when you turn it off. So press and hold to switch everything off. That's the message that came up there. Press and hold. So if I press and hold, it turns off the TV and the Apple TV. That's what the Fire TV stick, the 4K, does as well. Turns off everything with the power button on the remote. Now the Siri button is now on the side instead of the front, as you can see. Siri is not available. Okay, I'll have to check that. Press back. We also have a mute button, which has been added, which is handy, and this mutes the TV as well. So all in all, it's a great remote with great improvements. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. AK also got me a silicone case for it to protect it from shocks and falls and stuff.